are getting to know in the meantime as we shift focus, because from Maharashtra there seems to be another case coming in of rash driving and an accident that has now been reported. This is being reported again from Pune as Saurabh Gaikwad, said to be a son of a former NCP Sharad Pawar faction corporator, Bandhu Gaikwad, is accused of hitting a car on Manjari Mundwa Road in Pune. And this incident that was captured on CCTV, you can see the speeding car that rams into a tempo at high speed, and you can see when it comes to, thankfully, casualties that have not been reported. But in this incident, the driver and the cleaner of that said tempo who was sitting in the front were badly injured. We have Nilesh with us right now. Nilesh, another case that is being reported of rash driving in an accident from Pune. Tell us about this incident. Nilesh?
Well, absolutely.
Yes,
just roughly around 2 months. Well, it is just nearly about 2 months that the Pune Porsche case has been taken place, and this is another incident where drunken driving incident has come to light, where a son of a former cooperator from NCP Sharad Pawar faction drove his vehicle Tuesday early morning around 5 a.m. when this incident took place, as he rammed his SUV car into a tempo truck which was carrying some poultry farm chickens. This incident resulted into injury of 3, that is 2 occupants in the tempo van and 1 on the driving seat, that is Saurabh, who is injured into this matter, and police has registered a case against him under various sections, and he hasn't been arrested as of now because he is under treatment into hospital. However, this brings to light yet again that even after such restrictions and even after various agencies working hard to curtail such incidents, individuals are yet ignorant when it comes to traffic rules, and such violations are resulting into such accidents which at times claim multiple lives. However, it is to a great rescue that in this particular incident, no life was lost.
All right, another case of rash driving that has been reported from Pune. The video of that car crash that has been captured on CCTV footage. However, when it comes to the occupants of both of the vehicles, they have been badly injured, but thankfully there has been no casualties reported. Thank you, Nilesh, for that update. We head into a short break.